In this lesson, we are going to look at customizing a workspace. And you might be asking, what indeed is a workspace? This is your workspace right here. It's how you have all of your panels and your tools and everything organized to your specificity. So if you look at this little tab up here, it says Essentials, and we are in the Essentials workspace. There are a whole variety of predetermined workspaces that Adobe Photoshop CS4 went ahead and set up for you in case you are performing one of these many tasks, like typography. If I click on the typography workspace, I get panels that are specific to working with type. Paragraph, which allows you to format your text, and all your different options in manipulating your text. Say I don't need the Styles panel when I'm working on typography. I can go to this submenu and go down to the bottom here and close that tab. But I also want another tab. I want my brush tab open, so I can add my brush tab by going over here and see that blue line, adding it to my character. And you know what? I don't want the clone source tab, so I'm going to close this tab. And look, I have made my customized workspace. If I really like this workspace, I can go up here and save my workspace, and I'm going to call it Allison's Type Workspace. And if I've created some keyboard shortcuts, I can also click that box, and that will add my new custom keyboard shortcuts. I haven't showed you how to do that. We will explore that in greater detail. I can save that. And look up here, I've added Allison's Type Workspace. Say I've been working on type for a while and then I want to go and do some video work. Then this new workspace comes up and it's customized for working on video. If I go over here and do some photo editing, working on my color scheme and tonal range, and then say, you know what, I want to go back to that workspace that I set up a while back because those are the panels that work well for me when I'm working in type, I can go over here to Allison's Type Workspace. It will activate that custom workspace that I created. So let's move on to the next lesson, and I will show you how to set preferences.